You'll never know until you try. That's all I can say. You just won't know if you're meant for it. You won't know if you like it. If you're scared, I mean, that's a good thing because it's gonna be an uncomfortable situation, but you'll just never know. So just try it, and if you don't like it, move on and do something else. The more you're waiting on it, the more time passes by, and if you just get it out the way now and try new things and try different things and figure out what you like, you won't know. So just try.
If you're hesitant to work in the manufacturing field, don't be hesitant. It's just there's nothing wrong with it. There's a lot of career opportunities. You can make a lot of money doing it. I would say just go for it.
I say if you're considering the manufacturing field at all, which is a great choice because, like I said earlier, everything is manufactured somewhere. It is most of the jobs all over are some kind of manufacturing. If you're considering a job in manufacturing at all, or you think you might end up in it, this program is the way to go if you want a future in that field.
My biggest bit of advice to somebody who's hesitant is to go for what you're interested in. You're never solidly locked into any singular focus. There's lots of options in the manufacturing field.
Absolutely do not be hesitant. I mean, I think the hardest part would be your first day. As soon as you get that over with, as soon as you come here, experience everything, everybody is extremely welcoming and it's a lot of fun. You're gonna make a lot of friends. I don't think there's anything to be worried about.